32 biscuit 4, 2357, and 8009. Well, everybody, if you enjoyed this train video, can you smash that thumbs up button? Well, thumbs up on this train video. Can you do that for me? Also, if you're new and you came along this train video, hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other train videos I got. I got plenty of them, so feel free to check them out. Also, if you could do me a favor, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a train video like this, you'll be notified. Also, leave comments. I'd like to know where you're watching me from out there. And also, I want to welcome some new subscribers here to my channel. Welcome aboard. Feel free to check out my other train channels and share my channel, man. I would really appreciate it. But until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canada National. This train video's over. Have a good one. Take care.